How to get a deep and powerful numb. Step 1, lightly prick each brow. This is done with a J motion. You'll be listening for that prick, prick, prick sound. You're going to stamp down and flick forward. This can be with whatever blade you're going to use on the brows. A microblade, pixel blade, shading blade. Next, use an overflowing ink ring of primary numbing cream. Make sure that you're using enough product. The number one mistake I see is that people do not apply their numbing cream thick enough. You actually want it a full 2 to 3 millimeters thick, up off the skin. You basically want it to look like a pencil sitting on their eyebrow. You then occlude with a brow film. You want to gently tap the edges to make sure you've got a nice seal. This is going to help press that numbing cream down into the skin and create a little bit of heat. And again, make sure you do not squish the numbing cream flat. Having it sit up off the skin is vital to having a good numb. It's actually going to spread the numbness up and down about 1/2 to 1 inch, so you don't need to over apply above and below the brow. If you numb for 10 to 20 minutes with the numbing cream this thick on the skin, you will have a very, very numb client as long as you're using a BLT cream. It could mean benzocaine, lidocaine, tetracaine, but ultimately a numbing cream that's not just lidocaine. You want multiple numbing agents. Once you're finished with your first pass, you're going to blot off the pigment gently and then apply your secondary. Most secondaries should work within 2 to 3 minutes. You can use both Romantic and NUMBME as a secondary as well, so that's what I'm using here. You're going to continue to follow these same steps in between passes as needed until your brows are finished. Thanks for following, and I hope that this gives you great tips to keep your clients comfortable.